you're in. Let's get your first social profiles connected. This takes about 5 minutes. Those questions you just answered about your brand, client, or project, that created your first profile group, each one in its own workspace. Content calendar, inbox, and reports all live inside of it. If you manage multiple brands or clients, each gets its own group. Team permissions are set at that group level as well. Now, let's connect some profiles. Facebook first. You'll be asked to log in with your personal Facebook account. That's how Meta grants access to pages you manage. Your personal account is not being posted to. After you authorize, you'll see every page and group that you manage. Just select the ones you want. Instagram is next. Before you click, you'll get redirected to Facebook again. Meta requires Instagram business and creator accounts to be linked to a Facebook page. That connection is what unlocks direct publishing, analytics, and the inbox. Grant access and select your profiles. When Vista Social asks for permissions, allow all of them. Skipping any will quietly break features, and it's harder to fix after than to simply accept all of them now. Working with a team, watch our next video on how to invite them to Vista Social.